So it's important to be familiar with common units of quantities, distances of length, weight, and volume and time. All right? These are US measurements. So you can convert between anything within the same category. Like you can convert any kind of length to any other kind of length. You can convert any kind of volume to any other kind of volume. Same thing with weight, and same thing with time, right? These are the common ones that we use, right? And you should at least know a few of these, right? I won't expect you to memorize them because you can always Google them. So, but you can't convert between pints and yards, right? That's all it's saying. You can convert between the same category. So here we're going to go. We're going to convert 3 quarts to fluid ounces. So now we're dealing with the volume, right? We don't have a direct conversion from quarts to fluid ounces. So first we have to convert pints, because if you look here, we're going to go quarts to fluid ounces. So here's quarts to pints, and pints to fluid ounces. So we have to make one conversion and then make another conversion. So it's a double conversion. So you have to think about it, right? So 1 quart is 2 pints, and that's right from here. 1 quart is 2 pints. So we're going to go 1 quart. We're trying to go from quarts to fluid ounces. So first we're going to go from quarts. 1 quart is 2 pints. Multiplied by 3/3, and we get 3 quarts is the same as 6 pints. Notice the similarity to fractions. It's striking, right? This is just really equivalent fractions. So okay, we made our first conversion. We went from quarts to pints. Now we're going to go from pints to fluid ounces right here. This is a table of values, right? So 1 quart is the same as 2 pints. 3 quarts is the same as 6 pints. We don't know the answer to these here, and we're trying to find out this. 6 pints is the same as how many fluid ounces? We have a conversion between pints and fluid ounces. Here it is. 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces. So we have 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces multiplied by 6, and we get 6 pints right here is the same as 96 fluid ounces. So 96 would go there. And so we put that in. So this, like I said, is a table. You can read it vertically, right? We can also put it on a number line. It's another way to visualize this. So here we have 1 pint is the same as 16 fluid ounces. 6 pints is the same as 96 fluid ounces. It's the same as 3 quarts. We're reading it this way, putting it on a number line, you read it vertically. And you might want to just pause this, think about it. So this is the one we're going to do. We're going to convert 4 miles to yards. We don't have a direct conversion from miles to yards. So first we can convert miles to feet, and then feet to yards. Let's go back up here. This is the conversions that we have. And it's going to be length. So we have miles to feet, and feet to yards. So those are the 2 conversions we're working with. So we have miles to feet and feet to yards. And we want to turn 4 miles into yards. But we don't have a conversion from yards to miles. So our first conversion is going to be, I'm going to turn 4 miles into feet. I'm going to put up the proportion here. You might want to pause and think about it, but I'm gonna put it up. So here's our first proportion. 1 mile is equal to 5280 feet. So that is a relationship, that's a ratio. And so that's equal to 4 miles is to I don't know how many feet. Now this one, instead of cross multiplying and dividing, I can easily go from 1 to 4 by multiplying by 4 over 4. So I go 4 miles is equal to 21,200 feet. So now that I have feet, I know the relationship between yards and feet. There's my ratio, 1 to 3, so I can find out how many yards. So I'm going to move this down. You think about it. You might want to pause it and see what number you can get for here. Okay, so we have 1 yard is 3 feet. So X yards to 21,120 feet. This one, I don't know what to multiply 3 by to get that. So I went to cross multiply and divide, and we get that many yards. 7040. So 4 miles is the same as 704 yards, which is the same as 21,120 feet. So there was a double conversion.